Hey, what's up? This video is for anybody who is looking for the downloadable decals for the DIY hoverboard. You've come to the right place. The link is in the description. They're still free. As many of you know, I did this video for the DIY hoverboard 7 years ago on the Me channel. That was a show I did called DIY Prop Shop, and I had a lot of fun making props, and this is one of my favorite ones. In fact, this is the highest viewed episode that I did for that series. It's up to 5 million views, and I have no control over that video, so I can't update the description. It's got a broken link, so I've been spending the past 7 years sending people links to this download, so I finally decided, let's just do this on my channel. I can send you here, you can find it. Hopefully the algorithm will marry these two videos together somehow. I've seen so many pictures of you guys making this, and you've tagged me on Instagram, so please continue to keep tagging me. I'd love to see those and to share them. So you can download these decals. Bonus, I restored the Mattel logo. On the original version, I had removed Mattel. I don't know, I was afraid like Mattel might get mad? I don't know. Funny side note, when I first presented my list of props and episodes to Me, they did not want me to do this one. They kept saying no. I finally talked them into it. So anyways, now it's up to 5 million views. You're welcome. These just print out on a regular letter 8.5 by 11 sheets, and you just print them out and you stick them on here. Other side note, I've noticed over the years that I think I made this maybe a little bit too big. So when you're watching the video and trying to make your own, I would recommend maybe just shrinking the printout by, I don't know, 90% or so. So that way everything comes out a little bit smaller, and then base your measurements off of that. So be sure to check out all of the other cool Back to the Future content that I've done too. I'll put a playlist in the description. I've done so many Back to the Future videos. My favorite movie, so I'm kind of obsessed. So you can check those out, and happy building.